Good morning, students. Class 3rd, subject GK. I am your GK teacher, Rajiv Kumar. Now, here we will discuss according to point of view, as that now here written lesson number 1 to 10 we will discuss. Okay, my dear student, see the observe carefully. Let's come. Yes. First of all, yes. Now here cover page of your book. Now here this page contents of your book lesson wise. Yes, so we will discuss 1 to 10. Next. Now here lesson number 1 topic as given here. Good habit. Lesson number 1 good habit. Do you know here some given commands related to pick? If the given command will be right or correct, should be check mark. If command will be wrong, then you will should be cross sign put in box. So 1 as it here. First of all, leave the tape running water when you will use brushing. It is not fair, it is not correct, wrong. Okay. Next, you will see here, keep your pet dog tied up chain at home. It is not correct. Okay, should be marked here in a box. Next, you will see, put your hand from the moving bus, wrong, should be cross. Take your friend pencil without asking, it is not correct. Next, you will see, let us your younger brother play with knife, it is not good. Next, you will see here, take chocolate unknown person, it is wrong. Next, you will see, drinking water after playing, it is not fair, it is not good, wrong. Next, use always zebra crossing, it is right. Okay, so one by one given command as it. First is wrong, second is a wrong, third is wrong, fourth is a wrong, fifth is a wrong, sixth is a wrong, seventh is a wrong, eighth is right. Should be write down according to given information as it in your book. Next. Lesson number 2 topic safety on the road. Some answer written in front of you with the help of right comments. Yes, so many images are here given. Please check here. First image, answer is D. Answer is D. You will see here D answer. Yes. Here. Hump or rough road ahead. Yes, my dear student, in your book. See the here. Next. Second answer is C. No horn, please. No horn, please. Third one, you will see the third picture. Answer is B. Step hill hard. Next. Yes, answer is A. Don't overtake. Okay, don't overtake. Next, Fifth, F answer is school ahead. Next, you will see sixth answer is here G, road closed. Okay. Next, seven answer U-turn. Okay. Answer is H, turn around and go back. And the last 8 point is here E. You will see bridge ahead. Okay, my dear student. So already right comment answer numbering should be write down in front of given safety symbol. In front of given safety symbol as it in your book. Thanks to all. See the observe next. Sign we see. If you will see so many picture related to comments and what should be write down from helping list. First of all should be write down number. First picture image are here. This sign, this is dangerous. Second, favor of dog. Yes. Next picture from library, keep silent. Third picture from nearby, sign of no parking. Third picture, don't feed the animal in a zoo. Fourth picture, keep off the grass, don't move on grass. Okay, next is dustbin, use me always, should be houseful. This is the mark sign here in a hall, fully engaged, houseful. Okay, so as it from the helping list, first of all should be write down the numbering and write down the empty area on the line, proper word used from helping list. Thanks. See the observe. Next you will see lesson number 4, our environments. So many information also given here. Yes, with the help of first from helping box. First picture you will see and observe and write down noise pollution. Second is water pollution. Third picture related air pollution. Fifth picture related here plastic pollution. Yes, tick the correct. If the right comment should be ticked, it will be wrong. Keep the going on. No, it is not continuously not good. Use the plastic bag. No, it is harmful for our environment. Grow more tree. Yes. Throw the litter here there on river and sea. No, it is not good. So add as you like should be write down given information with the help of helping list. And now here you will follow the given instruction. For correct comment should be write down tick and will be wrong. So should be cross mark there as it. See the observe next. Lesson number 5, reptile. So many picture are related here. Reptile should be write down from helping list. First picture related, yes, chameleon. Second picture related, turtle. Third picture, lizard. Fourth picture, rattlesnake. Fifth picture, cobra snake. And sixth picture related, crocodile. As it from helping list should be write down. Next you will see lesson number 6, we will discuss here animal movement. So many different type of animal movement will be there. If you will see the animal, yes, what the if you will see the duck, waddle type movement. Next you will see here picture here line. Now stop. Okay, don't move anywhere, properly stay. Next you will see jumping condition. Okay. Next you will see here a fish. Fish will be, yes, if you will see the fish swimming position always. Next a snake you will see crawl. Next a rabbit you will see which type movement are hop type, jumping position. A horse, yes, running position. A horse trots. Next you will see here a cock Yes, struts. Next is you will see the fox position is pawn. Okay, pawns. Next you will see here the elephant storm, stable condition. A eagle you will see always flying movement, fly, as it should be write down from the helping list. Animal movement name also written from helping list and should be write down in empty area online as it given answer in your book. Please and read carefully. Next, lesson number 7, beak of the bird. So many animal are here related from helping link should be write down. I will write down as it. First of all you will see here one word. Okay, so mud, robin, beak, yes, curlew, and next is you fish gripping beak, kingfisher. Next is okay tearing type of beak, vulture. Next you will see seed eating beak, sparrow. Flower sucking position always hummingbird. Duck, mud supporting beak, duck. Now hook type beak, parrot. Cutting beak, crow, and insectivorous beak just like you will see swift. So already name are given here from helping should be write down in your book properly. See the observe. It is very important you will observe beak of word. Next 8. Here the flightless bird. So many words are flightless. Okay, many words will not be fly. Okay, so see the who's that. So one by one we will discuss here. One word is here given picture penguin. Second picture emu. Third picture is kiwi. 4 is rain. 5th is reha. And 6 is you will see crossberry. Now here see the observe the given here instruction. Yes, cassowary, and third one ostrich, and 8 is moa. So all what are here given helping list name also numbering should be write down first of all in your book and then you should be write down in empty area. Yes, the name flightless birds as it you will write down. See the observe. Next is yes, as is the animal. What is the name of the given animal are here. See the observe. First picture related to humming bird. Second picture related here hawk from helping should be write down. Now that animal are famous the yak, and next is animal koala. You will see the flamingo. Another word is flamingo. Is that clear? Next and the last 6 is the animal name. Yes, all of given. Okay, should be write down from the helping list and observe the given name here. First of all you will see the pic and that observing write down as it. Okay my dear students, see the observe. Next, yes, and the last plant quiz here we will discuss. It is very important for you. See the observe. First of all page number lesson number 10, plant quiz. Which is the fastest growing plant on the land? You will see here bamboos. Okay, bamboos. To which plant is considered and worship in a Hindu's home? Yes, here tulsi. Third, which plant has the find the instead of the leaves in desert? Now here cactus. Which plant used for making rubber? Rubber plant. Which plant has two largest leaf? Raffia palm. Next you will see which is the flower is seen in the hand of the goddess Lakshmi? Lotus. Which flower is called the sun worship sunflower? Which is the world's biggest flower? Rafflesia. Rafflesia flower. Which plant do the Muslim call tree of life? Date tree. And which is the fastest growing plant in a water? Kelp. So as it should be write down from the helping list, already name are given here and hint also given here. See the write down all of you. So I hope do you understand, my dear student. Thanks to all. Yes. So you will do as it. Okay. So first of all, complete your given work as it, my dear student. Yes. So lesson number 1 to 10, please complete in your book properly. Okay, my dear student, as that given helping list also written numbering, you will write down in your book, and empty lining space also write down the name and comments from the word helping list, from helping list as it. Okay, my dear student, properly and take care. Thanks to students. Please complete your work. Thanks to all.